The types of software we do here at Simplexity range from industrial applications such as end-of-line manufacturing testing, molecular diagnostic systems, motion control systems, or LabVIEW applications to control various instruments.
We also do a lot of software on the manufacturing side of things. So now you've designed this device. Well, now you got to make it. So you go out to your manufacturing line. Typically on the manufacturing line, you would have a laptop running software that puts the device, the firmware device, and the mechanism through its paces so that you can make sure it's good enough for the customer. So we're very good at writing the software for the manufacturing line and make sure we get all the corner cases so that when it does get to the customer, there's no problems with it.
Simplexity also has a lot of experience developing software for life sciences application. So this might be something where we're enabling scientists to develop their own scientific processes. So they might provide us what they need in terms of the building blocks. Those building blocks might include opening a valve, dispensing liquids, or running a PCR application for 20 minutes. And then the scientists can take those building blocks to develop their own processes for their own scientific experiments.
For example, if you're trying to test a new mechanical device and you have to run it through thousands of cycles, we'll write a piece of firmware to control that device, and then we'll write a piece of software on a laptop to talk with that firmware to run the device in all the ways that you want to run it, say for 3 months, and capture all that data and save it off to a drive.
For instance, in motion control systems, you actually have to know quite a bit about how motion control systems work in order to do the software control. So the firmware might give us small pieces that allow a move, for example, but then the software says how to move, where to move, and it takes the pieces and puts them together as a whole. Software testing is a key part of our process. We make sure that we are verifying everything all the way from code reviews to unit testing to integration testing to more formal verification testing where you're testing whether the software itself meets the requirements laid out at the beginning of the project.
Simplexity, simplifying the complex.